Welcome to the show. And here's my two expert colleagues talking about scopes today. And it's a very exciting episode because this is like Christmas for me. Because it's right before Christmas and I ordered myself a scope. A 3 to 15 first focal plane MOA, quadratical MOA, tactical SWFA scope. And it's kind of a dinner opening event here because it's like a big holiday when, don't worry, I'm expert with a Gerber or Leatherman, qualified in all sorts of knives.
Yeah.
I cut myself with them all. Anyway, it got delivered pretty quick. I ordered it last Saturday. Today's Thursday. Ugh, I got a great deal on it. I was gonna hold off, not buy a scope for a while, but I had to do it. I had to do it. The deal was too good. Here's the
instructions that ripped.
little shipping receipt.
That ripped. Hey, you did that.
I got two other.
Me over.
I got two other SWFAs, but they're fixed powered, so that's the same as having first focal plane. I've got a 6 and a
Seriously, you're taking
20, and they're both awesome. But I had them in Mills, and then I got a Leopold that's in MOA, and I kind of like the MOA better. And here, you guys can voila it. Ooh, go ahead and you grab the plastic, and she'll kind of.
cold.
Ooh, it's nice and cold.
I know. I know.
All right, you pull the plastic out of that side.
Ta-da!
All right, grab the scope when it comes out of there. Go ahead and grab that part. Pull this plastic off.
It's cold.
It's so cold, and it's so beautiful.
It's cold.
And it's got a side focus.
Wow.
And I think that the MOA turrets look cleaner than the mill turrets because they stack the mills on top of them, and this only has,
Look
what
at
is
how
this?
much.
15 MOA a turn, whereas it just looks cleaner. It's not stacked up. And then got the same sort of look for the what do you call that?
What?
Lateral. What is that?
What?
I don't know. Left to
What?
right adjustment. And then here we go.
Probably like tightens the scope or like moves in
Where's the camera part of
where
this?
the target.
There's my parallax or side focus. And then it's got a little lever for the power. And came set on 15. And this is cool. I wish it was daytime so I could look through the thing at like the street or something. But let's see. It looks a little fogged up because it's hot in here. We just cooked some spaghetti.
What?
Get that hand out of my
Can you
face.
see my hand?
I can't see your hand.
You can't?
Oh,
I can't.
oh man, this thing's frozen.
I know, it's cold. Very cold.
Nice and tight.
Nice and tight.
Okay, now I can see the reticle.
Smooth and shiny. No. And there's an eagle on the front. There's an eagle on
I don't know if
these
that's supposed to be an
tightens.
eagle or a crow, but
Eagle. Eagle.
whoa, it's kind of cool having first focal plane.
Can you see my face?
I will say though, it's cold and the moisture's sticking to the lenses right now. It's hard to see through, but It's hefty, 30 millimeter tube. I've got 2 other ones. They're pretty awesome. I can't wait to mount it up and try it out. And what's your first impressions, Nova, of the scope? What do you think?
No.
No?
You
No
don't think
comment? How about you, Araya? What do you think of this scope?
I think it looked pretty because, like, there's, like, the eagle there.
Mm-hmm.
And, like, it's shiny. I don't know why it's cold.
It's so cold because it just got set outside, and I just went to walk the dog and found it out there. And it's wintertime.
And, like, there's adjustment. I like that, too. And I think that's all.
Yeah, good job. Anything else to add? All right. And it's pretty nifty. Nice finish. Kind of flat black. Anyway, can't wait to try it out. I'm sure it'll work good. And try to shoot like a mile with this thing or something. All right, thanks.
But you're going to